Hi all, this is Ben from LatinTutorial. I built LatinTutorial.com because I want Latin to feel learnable and accessible for everyone, less grind and more momentum. And I wanted something that helps people practice in a way that goes beyond videos. It's been a full year since I publicly launched it, and the response has been really encouraging. Over 10,000 people have made accounts to try it. There are over 50 teachers using it, and over 200 active classes. This fall, we reached over 1,000 weekly active users and 2,000 monthly active users. So if you haven't checked out LatinTutorial.com yet, what's keeping you? LatinTutorial.com is a project I keep improving as I learn what works, building tools that make practice daily, targeted, and rewarding. Games for vocabulary and quick feedback for verb and noun forms. And today, I'm introducing 2 new sections. A new Ludi area with daily word games, and a new grammar practice area for declining and conjugating. First up, Ludi. The first game is Tegulae, tiles. Every day you get a fresh set of letter tiles, and your goal is to build up to 20 Latin words from them. Longer words score more, and different forms count too, so you can get strategic. You'll start noticing patterns, stems, endings, and the way Latin words are built. And honestly, one of my students basically learned the gerundive on his own just from playing and asking, wait, why does this form keep showing up? The second daily game is Ex Ordine. There's a secret word each day, and your only clue is whether your guess is alphabetically before or after the target word. So you narrow it down through smart guessing until you land on it. It's great for vocabulary recall and discovering new words. Both games reset at midnight Eastern, so you can come back daily. And yes, you can compete with friends or your class if you want a quick, low-stress daily challenge. These games work great when paired with Infinitas, my spaced repetition vocabulary tool that has done wonders for my own students' knowledge of Latin vocab. The second big addition is grammar practice with 2 activities, decline and conjugate. I tell my students all the time, Latin packs so much meaning into endings. These tools help you recognize and produce those endings faster with repetition and instant feedback. So decline first. Here you can choose your declensions, pick your cases, because not everyone learns all the cases at the same time, and set a timer. I'll do 1 minute. You can decide whether to require macrons, and you can use limitless mode, which keeps you moving as soon as you get a word completely right. As you type, you'll see immediately when you've nailed it, and it pushes you forward, so you build speed. If you get stuck, you can reveal a form and keep going, which turns mistakes into learning instead of frustration. And at the end, you get results you can actually use. And a quick note, if you want your cases in a different order, that's in your user settings, US order, UK order, or the classical order. Now conjugate, same idea, but for verbs. You choose conjugation, tense, mood, and voice. I'll keep it simple here. First and second conjugation, present and imperfect, active, indicative. 1 minute, limitless mode. Same instant feedback, same ability to reveal forms when you need to, and results at the end. And here's the part I really care about as a teacher. You can assign these. If you're a teacher, you can give decline or conjugate to 1 or more classes and see how students do, and not just completion, but where the errors cluster. Students earn XP and badges as they practice, which keeps motivation up. With these tools, I've seen my own students master the technical skills faster because they're getting high reps and immediate correction, and I can quickly see who needs help and with what, even when we're just doing this in class by quickly scanning the room. LatinTutorial.com is supported by subscriptions, $5 a month or $40 a year. But to celebrate the new year and these new features, you can use promo code LUDI26 through January 31st, 2026 to get 26% off a year subscription. So if you haven't yet, go to LatinTutorial.com, make a free account, and try the new games and practice tools. And let me know what you want me to build next.